So I guess everybody knows about undo by now. If you don't, here is our booth. Please contact us. In one line, undo makes deterministic recording at machine level granularity. That is what undo does. And today we'll use AI to actually leverage the power of undo to solve the bugs. That is what I'm going to do now. So there is a very simple application that I'm doing. It is still bleeding edge. It is a prototype, so don't laugh, it doesn't work. So I'm just running one application here, and as you can see, it has crashed. Now I'll use UDB to debug this. And I'll extend one command that I have made here, which I called explain. So it's extending here. Now I'll just run my program now. And now I'll ask Claude. So it can work with any of the AI models that you know about, ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, but today I'll be using Claude for that. So I'll just ask, explain what went wrong. Explain what went wrong here. And it is kind of doing some stationing here. And in few steps, it will actually tell me what went wrong and how that will let you know. So see, it is using commands like go n, that is our command for going to the end. Then it did a backtrace to see where we are. And now it will go one line back at a time to actually go to that point in our code. So it is searching if there was any bookmarks previously that it can use. There are none. Then it will go reverse finish to actually execute one frame back at a time. So obviously libc code is not there. It will again do reverse finish till the time it reaches the code where the error exactly is, and here it has already reached there. Now it can see that the issue is that the program aborted because cache calculate returned an incorrect value. What is that value? It is printing all those incorrect values as well. Number was 255, but the square root that our program calculated was 0, whereas correct number should be 15. So now why the square root was 0? It is not trying to find that. So it did a reverse next, again a reverse next, and it reached in the catch calculate. Now I'll do a reverse next. And it will step inside cache calculate. Let me step. Yes, it stepped inside it. And here it will say where the error has returned. So yes, now it has got to the right point, that this is the point where the erroneous number was returned. So it's saying, the function took the cache hit path and returned this. Let me check the cache entry. It checked, and yes, it was incorrect. So it found the problem, but it didn't find the root cause. So it will use the last command here to actually see where this value was last changed, as we would have done. And so the entry was previously set. It has found the previous entry, which was, again, a very big number. And let's see if it can find the error. It is printing a few more things to check where the error might be. So as you can see here, we are not doing anything. And yes, it has. So there is a bug in this. It has told us that the number was -1, because of which the square root calculated was very big. And that's why we should either put a check of -1 so that it doesn't go out of bounds. So this is a classic invalid unknown out of bound error, which we can easily solve with any of the AI tools that we know about. So if you have any questions, you can always visit our booth for it. Thank you, everybody.